Hi Freaky for Freaks, Shalini here. Today we are going to draw Jimin of BTS. The drawing which I am going to draw is from song Filter from their album Map of Soul 7. Filter is the most Jiminist song that Jimin can sing. Jimin's vocal is the most impressive thing in this song. This song is like 4 times higher than Jimin's natural range. Perfection starts with P and ends with N, so does Park Jimin. Today's song recommendation I have brought for y'all is Set Me Free Part 2 from album Face. In contrast to the song Filter, Set Me Free is intense and such a powerful anthem. He is so cool for being so honest in the lyrics. This is the highest art. How is it even possible to dance like that and have such vocals? As the saying goes, once you gym in, you can't gym out. Lastly, you are not freak, but unique.